So I'm George. I'm going to do a review over some LED lights. I'm going to make this as quick as possible. This one here obviously is a LED strip. It is an amber color to match the color of the lighting of the interior of the vehicle. This one here is a 3mm, very, very tiny. It comes with the housing, and I'll include the link into the video for you. This one here is a 10mm lighting, and so before you install those in the car, you want to test it to make sure it works. And let me just show you what the 3mm looks like once it's lit up. All right, hang tight. Okay, looks like my battery is dead. Oh, nope, it isn't. It's turned around. Okay, sorry, there we go. So this one here is the 3mm, very bright in color, amber, and so it gives a good luminescence, not too bright as the 10mm. This one here is the 10mm. Test it first before installing. This one here is the 10mm, very bright in terms of color, good color to it as well. Let me try that one more time. Bear with me, guys. There we go. A lot more brighter than the 3mm. This one here is the amber color, and so let me show you that. All right. Okay, there we go. That's what the amber looks like. Well, if we can get it to go, there we go. And so the nice thing about this is that you can cut it to any length that you want. If you don't cut it, you could always black it out with electrical tape. So just in case one bulb burns out, you can take the tape off and the others will be illuminated. So depending upon your preference, how you like it inside the vehicle, all up to you. So once again, this is the 3mm. This one's the 10. 3mm suggested to use the housing because of the size. And so I'll take you inside the car and show you exactly where I installed those. Okay, so for the back side, I obviously put the strips underneath the back seats, passenger and driver. Doors are identical, so I'll just show you one side of the door. This one here is a 3mm. As you can see, it does have the housing on there. I'll include a link into the video, bought from Amazon. So that's the stainless steel housing. The light itself is on the inside that you can barely see. The other one that I installed is directly on the inside right there. As you can see, it has the housing on it, and then the bulb is on the inside. Will illuminate this particular section during the night. This one here is more geared towards when the door is open. The amber light will shine out for anybody driving in from the back. All right, so this one here is going to be for the doors, but the LED strip I installed underneath the dashboard, both passenger and driver. Doors are identical. The other spot that I installed it that you cannot see it yet is going to be within the doors. There we go. That is going to be inside the door. So during the night, this particular section is lit up. All right. This one here is going to be inside the compartment here. Let me change up the view again. All right, which is a bulb inside there. During the night, that there will light up. All right. The other one is going to be, the other one's going to be directly inside the compartment for the primary glove, which is right there that you can see on the back there. Yep, all mounted in, and then directly underneath inside that storage compartment. The other two small 3mm ones I installed up into there. I have one burnt out light bulb. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so let's give it a try. Okay, so the light is already lit up there on the door section. That is going to be the passenger side door. You can't see the luminescence of the light that's directly underneath the floor panel, but it is lit up. And then this one here is going to be the left side as well. As you can see, I put my little mug in there. And then the back side of the door, I'm gonna come out. I had to drive the car into the garage. Is going to be right in there. That's going to be the back side of the doors, inside the spot where you pull the door in, and then onto the door itself. And the last but not least is going to be that particular spot up there. Don't mind my ugly garage, it is dirty. I got some stuff in there. And so you're able to turn on the light if needed, but in the night it will illuminate amber color to match the color of the vehicle as well. And then I'm going to actually have to pull up in just a little bit more to show you the back door. Okay, so this is the back side of the door. As you can see, directly underneath the passenger seat there, it is illuminated, and so the light is shining in on the left hand side, but you can see the passenger side. This one here is going to be the door as well. So when the door is open, if people are driving in from the back, they'll see that amber color. And then inside the spot where you close the door. All right, so the other spot, like I said, is directly inside that particular compartment there. And then inside the glove of the console. And then that right there. Yeah, so that's the spot that we plugged it in. And pull the car out again. All right, so there we go. Lit up on the door itself. So there's one, there's two there, two underneath the seats, two directly underneath the lights there itself, two underneath the back seat that you cannot really see, and then two inside the doors. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Those are the LED lights. I'll include the link into that, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, sorry about it. It was a completely unorthodox review. Thank you, and I'm George.